I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to track your mood in the Health app on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step one is to open up your Health app. So we're going to scroll down here and type in Health and open up the Health app. Then we're going to tap Browse on the bottom right and then scroll to Mental Wellbeing and open that. Then we'll scroll down and find State of Mind and tap there. If you have not used this before, you're going to see a Get Started page. So we'll click Get Started and then we'll click Begin. Now in general, I'm going to have to log a mood, how I've felt today. So I'm going to put how I feel right now. Next, I'm going to say pleasant. So we'll click Next. You can add more things about your feelings. Click Next. You can see what's having an impact on you. And I'll just put work, typical. And then now you have logged your emotion. Now, if you'd like to set reminders to log your emotions throughout the day, you can. You just click turn on reminders and then you'd go into your settings and turn on notifications for mindfulness. I'm going to leave it off here. Now that we have gone through the setup, we can see the daily mood generally. We can show it in charts and see kind of how our mood is changing over time, but just make sure that you are logging all of these things so that you can keep a good track over time.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.